name is Laura, like my friend. This is my new present. This is my new present. I wait months for this, but actually now she came in one day, beautiful day, perfect day for me, because I have many projects, and everything happened in one moment, new moment for me. I hope this club to be a new dream for me, to open a new door for me, for future and for everything. My time is very precious, like everyone, because everyone they have a moment, but this, sure, she came in a perfect time. Sorry for my English, but
it's just perfect. Be natural.
Yes,
it's
so
nothing
much.
wrong with that.
Thank you, Laura, and kiss you.
You are welcome. I hope that you enjoy it.
Thank you so
It's
much.
made from the Hart. It's made with red moss. As you can see, it's really nice and beautiful, and I believe that I make her happy, because her smile says everything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you as well, Laura.
Bye.
Bye.